Affilorama Review. Affiliate marketing when done well can earn you thousands of dollars online. The concept itself is simple. You promote products for other vendors and they give you a commission for each sale you make. It's like being a salesperson in the real world, but you're just doing it online. Every year thousands of beginners try their hand at affiliate marketing and the majority of them fail. The question is, why? If it's so simple and straightforward, why do only 2% of marketers succeed? The answer to that is, simple does not mean easy. You need the right knowledge and a plan to follow. Most beginners run around like headless chickens buying different products and trying different things. They fail at everything and end up jaded and assume that making money online is a scam. If you wish to get into affiliate marketing, the best chance of guaranteeing your success will be to take a look at Affilorama. This program was created by an expert marketer, Mark Ling, to coach his own affiliates to promote his products successfully. Mark is a six-figure marketer with best-selling products such as Rocket Piano and Jamorama. This is a guy who has real-world experience when it comes to making money online. Affilorama aims to shorten the learning curve of beginner and even intermediate marketers by providing over-the-shoulder training that they can easily model and apply. That's the best way to succeed online. No point in trying to reinvent the wheel. The good points. 1. Affilorama is written in simple English with step-by-step instructions that even a newbie will have no problems understanding. 2. There is a free option for you to test the Affilorama program out. There are over 100 video lessons that will really boost your knowledge. This is like an internet marketing bootcamp that is free. Grab this opportunity. 3. You get a $1 trial for the paid option. You get 30 days to get full access to the entire program. Imagine that. Just for $1, you will see the amount of value that you'll get. If you're satisfied, you'll be billed for the remainder. 4. The program comes with a member forum. This is priceless. Even with the best training, you will face setbacks and hiccups. You can always ask questions and get help in the forum for any issues you may be facing. 5. Besides affiliate marketing, you are also taught product creation. This is where the money truly is. You'll be able to create your own products and have your own affiliates promoting for you. It's fantastic. 6. You get free hosting for up to 15 domains. So, you will not even have a recurring hosting fee to pay. 7. The product comes with a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. So, there's no risk for you. The bad points. 1. The product is a little pricey as compared to other training programs. That's because of the immense value provided. Affilorama is head and shoulders over most similar programs, but it comes at a price. You'll need to decide if you'd rather go with a proven but more expensive program or buy cheap programs that sound good but are just untested theory. 2. Any requests and questions you have will be handled by a support team. Mark is a busy man with many projects in the pipeline. So, you'll probably not get to connect with him. However, the support team is more than capable of helping you. 3. The free trial, while good, is limited. You really need to get the paid option to fully understand the affiliate marketing process and make money from it. Should you get it? Are you serious about making money online? You are? Then get it. Affilorama is an online bestseller and thousands have bought and benefited from it. You could spend years trying to figure it out on your own and spending thousands of dollars on dodgy products only to fail. Or, you could join Affilorama and learn what works and work it. This is a program that will make you money if you apply it. That should be more than enough reason to get it. Greater than get Affilorama, now less than. Click on the link below.